Hello, hello, and today I'll be teaching you some Welsh greetings and goodbyes. At the end of this lesson you'll be able to start a conversation, I guess. So by now you know how to read basic Welsh words and pronounce Welsh words. So I suppose it's about time you had some Welsh words to pronounce. So let's start off with very simple, hello. Hello is hello, and it's pronounced how it's spelt. Hello. Right, sut ydach chi? That's formal. It's a formal way of saying, how are you? You say it to somebody you might not know that well, or you're just being polite. So sut ydach chi? Sut wyt ti? That's sort of less formal, but it still means, how are you? Sut wyt ti? Or, sut wyt ti literally means, how you doing? So it's, how you doing? Let's see, that's why I'm single. Anyway. Right, okay, the next one is sut mai. So, sut mai is, how is it? So it's to your friends, or, I suppose the equivalent to saying, what's up? Sut mai. Okay, so now you said hello and how are you? You want to answer that, don't you? So they'll probably go, how are you, how are you? Iawn diolch. That means fine, thanks. So iawn diolch. If you want to know anything else, just ask, leave a comment and I'll sort of teach you the word for it. Okay, so I've said hello, how are you, I'm fine, blah blah blah. You want to say, my name is, don't you? Hello, my name is. My name is the enw yw. It sounds a bit of a mouthful, doesn't it? My name is easy, but the enw yw sounds, sort of E sounds. But, so the enw yw, the enw yw, the enw yw, Slim Shady. Didn't quite sound the same, but yeah, so the N-O-E-U. So in my case, it'd be the N-O-E-U Ellis, or the N-O-E-U Ellis if I'm being strictly Welsh. That's how my name's pronounced in Welsh. Okay? You might want to say, I come from, or I live in. So I come from is dwi'n dod o. Dwi'n dod o. Dwi'n dod o. I come from. That's a very informal way of saying it, by the way, but, hey, conversational Welsh, you're not going to be talking very posh like Shakespearean English, and, so dwi'n dod o, I come from, not, I originate in such a place as, you don't say that, do you? No, it's just I come from. So dwi'n dod o Rhyl. I don't come from Rhyl, but, yeah, but if I came from Rhyl, I'd say dwi'n dod o Rhyl. Or if I come from America, it's either dwi'n dod o America or dwi'n dod o'r Unol Daleithiau, which means the United States, but not many people use that. It's a very posh way of saying it. So dwi'n dod o America. Or dwi'n dod o Canada. So, no prize for guessing what country that is. Or dwi'n dod o... Anyway, so it's dwi'n dod o. I'm come from. Yeah? Okay. I live in. So you might not want to say where you come from, you might also want to say where you live. Dwi'n byw yn. Yeah? Dwi means I do, by the way, or, so in case you didn't know, so dwi. Or rydw I, sorry. Rydw I is the shortened form of it. So it's dwi. Dwi'n byw yn. So dwi'n byw yn America, dwi'n byw yn Canada, dwi'n byw yn Rhyl, dwi'n byw yn tŷ, which is a house. I live in a house. So dwi'n byw yn. Okay? So you've started, chit-chat and that. But time is short and so am I. And you have to go. So, how do you say goodbye? Well, like in English, there are different ways of saying goodbye. The most informal way is ta-ra. Yeah, like ta-da, But no, it's ta-ra. So, yeah, ta-ra. Like that. It's a throwaway sort of thing. It's very informal. I guess it's like saying see ya, to your friends. So it's ta-ra. Okay, you could say hwyl. Hwyl means to have fun, or it means it's a Welsh word for fun. But when you say hwyl to someone, it's like have fun. So hwyl. Sometimes if you're not going to see them for a while, you say hwyl fawr. That means have lots of fun. So hwyl fawr. Yeah. A lot of people sign their letters with hwyl fawr and stuff. Okay. So you got ta-ta, hwyl, hwyl fawr. Okay? Right, one thing I haven't covered yet are other greetings. So you could, instead of just saying hello, hello, how are you? You might want to say good morning. And good morning is bore da. So bore is morning and da is good. See, I haven't covered that. You might notice, like other sort of non-English languages, Welsh is, you'd find Welsh back to front. So instead of saying good morning, we actually say the morning is good. Which is a very poetic way of saying it. So bore da. It comes with other terms as well. Like instead of saying the red house, we say the house is red. And things like that. But anyways, good morning is bore da. Okay. Now, a video by a friend of mine who's on my favourites, so you can click and look at MP Claw's video. He mentioned dydd da, which is technically good day. Nobody actually says good day, not even in England anymore. You know, it's very old-fashioned. Good day, me old chap. You know, no, no. So no one really says good day. I suppose it'd be a form of goodbye, wouldn't it? But no, it's that we don't use good day. But it would be dydd da, but that's no. We don't use it. Okay, good night is nos da. So nos da. Once you've got da down, which is quite easy, as my friend MP Claw, or David and Arianwyn, as I should call them, have shown da is quite easy to pick up, but it's nos da. It's good night. Afternoon is a bit tougher. It's either prynhawn da, which is quite long and a bit of a mouthful. So what we do in Welsh, in Wales, we tend to shorten it to pnawn. So it's pnawn da, or prynhawn da, if you want to be more formal about it. So that's good afternoon. So there are your greetings. There's also welcome. You might want to say, welcome to my house, or just you're welcome. And welcome is croeso, right? So, croeso's welcome. And finally, the Welsh word for Wales, which my friend David got very wrong in his last video, well, got a bit wrong in his last video, is Cymru. There's different forms of Cymru, but we'll go over that next video because I'm running out of time. So anyways, until next time, hwyl fawr. Ta-ra.